Namaskar, I am Vijay Raj Desai. I have written a few things here about the phases, that is, variations in the periods of life. And those periods are often referred to as Mahadashas, and the subperiods, the smaller periods in the Mahadashas, are referred to as Antardashas. There are many systems of calculating these periods. The most commonly used are Vinshottari and Ashtottari. Yet there are others such as Yogini. However, the crucial thing is the basic horoscope. Mahadashas reflect the differences that one comes across in life. The horoscope remains the same, yet the periods are different. That is why the same person with same ability gets different effects in different periods. When the favorable period comes, when the favorable dasha means period, Mahadasha means long period, not great period. So when the fate changes, the results, the consequences, the situations are different. The ability is the same. The person has the same ability all throughout, yet during different phases, he gets different consequences and different situations. That's because of the phases as per the destiny. So, phases, that is, variations in periods, depend on Mahadashas and Antardashas. Most important factor is the phase, that is, period revealed by your horoscope. The same horoscope becomes weaker or stronger during different periods owned by different planets. Now, each phase is owned by a specific planet. It is similar to rotation of chairs among different persons. This is the way it is. Different phases are owned by different planets. So if the planet is strong, it gives good effects. If the planet is weak during its phase, it gives bad effect. If the planetary position is good, that planet's phase, that is period, is good. This is the reason as to why the same persons with the same abilities get success differently in different periods of their life. I have already talked about this. Sun and moon are referred to as planets, not as stars or satellites, respectively, just for the sake of convenience of expression. Just for convenience sake, not because of importance or prioritization, I have generally used the serial order Sun, Moon, Mars, Mercury, Venus, Jupiter, Saturn, Pluto, Uranus, and Neptune. And this is generally the order that is followed. It may not be strictly followed, but it is generally followed. Most important is individualized horoscope guidance must be preferred and used for personalized decision. It is like a torchlight in darkness. Otherwise, there is nothing else to know about distant future. About 4 or 5 years future one can know based on practical assessment. But distant future one can know only based on horoscope with good consultation. Not any Tom Dick Harry talking about horoscope. The person has to be authentic, obviously. So individualized horoscope guidance must be preferred and used for personalized decision. This series will continue. May God bless you. Do well in life.